in my car.
Wow.
Last time, yeah, fucking sub shit all over.
He's eating in the car.
Yeah, he went to Wawa's and got a sub.
I was drunk.
Fell asleep. You know what happened when I looked in that back seat? Fucking sub pieces all over the fucking place.
Drunk going all the way.
You fucking slop.
I was drunk as shit.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't want to do all that. I'm getting direct deposit. Fuck that.
Thank you.
What is he doing? He's throwing shit?
No, I didn't spell everything. I just took a big bite. As I'm getting direct deposit.
He said don't eat in the car.
Slob.
Snap. Oh, snap.
No, I said I'm getting direct deposit. I took a big bite like.
Nah, yo.
I did.
Slob, yo.
Shut the fuck up.
What's the point of wearing shorts? You locked out?
I ain't locked up. I gotta ring the doorbell.